Hey, this is Anthony with RevZilla TV, and welcome to our brief overview of the new for 2011 REACH norm certified REV'IT Cyclone H2O. Now, this is your stuff sack driven rainwear. What does that mean? This guy condenses. It's ultra lightweight. I'm going to show you in a second what the stuff sack looks like. This is the throw it in your side case and you get hit in a cloud burst on your commute, on a longer distance ride. You pull this guy out and you're good to go instantaneously. It's going to be REACH norm certified. What does that mean? It's a European standard. It means the way it's manufactured bars 30,000 different harmful chemicals or materials that would be used to make this that both hurt the environment as well as the labor force used in the manufacturing process. So it's really a socially responsible piece of rainwear. From there, you go to the waterproof element, completely impervious to all rain gear. This is meant as an overcoat or an overpiece. There are pants that match with it. There's also a step up called the Nitric. But really what you need to know about this is you're going to pull this guy, the sizing wise, if you wear a large, in a Cayenne Pro, you're going to buy a large Cyclone. The sizing is very easy. You're buying the same size as your jacket, and it's meant to fit over top of whatever protective gear or multiple layers of motorcycle gear you have underneath this. If we take a peek at it, this is the hi-viz color, which is so popular these days from a safety perspective. There's also a black. Basic main construction with a rain gutter. You're going to have tape seams throughout. Here you can see he's wearing a nice REV'IT Air jacket. Here's going to be an example of your tape seam. The nice thing about this is it's really two layers. So you're going to have this inner coating, which is going to be non-stick. It's not going to stick to your whatever your protective gear or jacket is underneath. I know that that can get annoying in rain and 100% relative humidity. You have your underlayer or your whatever your textile is underneath can get bunched up or start sticking to the inside of your rain layer. That won't happen here either. Turn to the side for me, Jace. Show the 3M Scotchlite that's built into this for visibility. But furthermore from that, so you have ultra lightweight, you have breathable, you have a breathability factor. It's not going to feel like a trash bag. It's waterproof. It's non-stick. Turn backwards for me, Jace. Sizes and overcoats. The sizing is easy. You buy your same size. This is going to be the sub $100 option. It's very, very basic from REV'IT, but it's a nice step up in its weight and its performance over last year's model. Turn back around for me, Jace. Remember, it comes in a black as well. If you have any questions about the Cyclone, don't hesitate to shoot us a line. So moving on, we've got it off of Jason here. We've got it laid out on the table, some of the nuances. Double cinching shock cord along the bottom. And notice at the top, nice feature that's going to go against your skin, potentially up at the collar. You're going to have a microfleece, which is really nice. Again, one of the nice things about REV'IT is it's well thought out, and it's the subtlety of the functionality that really are going to make the difference in that long distance or high use type of riding, which is a lot of the REV'IT customer. Also, it's a good amount of Velcro here on the cuffs that allow you a lot of adjustability depending on how you wear your gloves. Now, the last piece I want to show you with the Cyclone is how ultra lightweight it is and how easily it stuffs. So here's my stuff sack. It's tiny. The guys at REV'IT like to say you roll it like a burrito. I don't think they've actually ever rolled a burrito, so I'm going to disagree with that because we're not going to tuck the edges under, make sure the rice doesn't come out. But what I've done is I've laid it flat. I'm going to fold it again, and I'm really going to start at whatever side you want here as I'm kind of moving around. Super lightweight. I'm just going to scrunch it up. I guess this is the burrito portion. And once I get to there, I now have my stuff sack. And literally in under 20 seconds, you're seeing me completely remove this, take it, lay it flat. You can do this on the ground. I just happen to have a table. And bang, you're all done. This goes right in your side or top case to be stowed for the next time that you're going to need it. This is your long ride day saver. This is your I want to wear my air jacket. It's warm out. This is your I'm not sure what kind of climate I'm going to hit. I'm going to kind of go light on my base layers, remove the rain liner. This is going to give you that extra added element of protection if you get surprised while you're on the road. If you have any questions about the Cyclone H2O or any of the new rain gear from REV'IT, or really rain gear on RevZilla.com for that matter, shoot us a line, see us at RevZilla.com, 877-792-9455. We hope our videos can get you close to being able to watch, decide, then ride, but if you need any help, don't hesitate to reach out. It's really what we do. It's over 39 bucks. We'll ship it for free. As always, if you don't like it, send it back. We'll exchange it for free if you get the wrong size. If you just don't like it, make sure it's brand new condition with the tag, send it back. 0 restock fees on any of this stuff. Find the REV'IT Cyclone H2O at RevZilla.com/REV'IT. I'm Anthony. We'll see you next time.